Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry cabin filter. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your vehicle's air quality. You will need a new cabin air filter, which typically costs around $15 to $25, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. No complex tools are required, making this a quick and easy do-it-yourself project for anyone. Let's get started by preparing the glove box area. To begin, completely empty your glove box of all its contents. Next, locate the small dampener arm on the right side of the glove box and carefully detach it. This arm controls the glove box's opening speed. Now, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the two retaining clips. This action allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. With the glove box lowered, you will see a rectangular cover for the cabin filter housing. Unclip this cover and set it aside. Now, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter from its tray. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on the old filter. This is crucial for proper installation. Insert your new filter into the tray, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Once the new filter is securely in place, slide the filter tray back into the housing and reattach its cover, ensuring it clicks firmly. Next, lift the glove box and gently push in on the sides to re-engage the retaining clips, allowing it to close properly. Finally, reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter, leading to cleaner air and a more pleasant driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.